Hello children, welcome back to this channel, Storytime with our friends. Today I am back with a new story which is Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousin. So let's get started. Can you imagine? Just for one day, you're a busy bird. Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing sha-la-la, tweet tweet tweet, hum hum hum, cheep cheep cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been! The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Tweet toot, hoo-hoo. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Soon enough, I will meet you all with a new story. So till then, take care, stay safe, do subscribe to the channel, do check out the videos. Bye!